Yeah.
Nice. You are wearing a...
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado, Crowley County and southeastern Colorado, northeastern Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado, until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northeast of Pueblo Depot, or 22 miles northeast of Pueblo Airport, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts at half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ordway and Sugar City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.